Hey there, my Fit Foodie fam. In my last episode, I shared how I went on an exciting trip to Miami Beach and a fabulous vacation in Bali, and somehow managed to not just maintain my diet and training progress, but actually lost a little weight too. Pretty cool, right? Then a bunch of you reached out with some questions, wanting the inside scoop on how I stayed on track. So today, I'm laying out all the details from my tropical adventures. From menu hacks to DIY workouts, I've got 8 strategies I used on my trip that turned my vacay into a Fitcay. No setbacks here. Let's go. But first, a quick heads up. The information I'm providing here is for your entertainment and education, and it is not meant to be a substitute for professional medical advice, nor is it meant to be a substitute for a consultation with a healthcare professional. And now, on with the show. Strategy number 1, Miami menu hacking. Miami Beach has sun, sand, and temptation galore. Cuban food is a must-eat when visiting the area, but you've got to be cautious here. Many traditional Cuban dishes are super yummy, but calorie bombs, using ingredients like white rice, black beans, fried meats, and starchy vegetables. So, as I sat down at a popular Cuban spot with my travel buddies, it was time to break out my menu master skills. I skipped past the hearty meat dishes like ropa vieja and lechon asado, all served with white rice, black beans, and fried plantains. Instead, I opted for a colorful Caribbean guava salad with grilled fish. And I asked to swap out the sweet guava dressing, getting oil and vinegar on the side. A little menu finesse let me immerse myself in a bit of Cuban culture without overindulging. Strategy number 2, hotel gym heaven. So I was in Miami Beach for a business conference, not just to soak up the sun and ocean waves. But traveling for work doesn't mean exercise has to drop off my priority list. And making it a priority was made easier by choosing to stay at the conference hotel, which had a gym on site. Between seminars, meetings, and networking, I made the hotel gym my oasis of sanity. No matter how busy my conference schedule was, I stuck to my normal fitness routine. I did cardio, strength training. Those sweat sessions re-energized me and provided me with mental clarity to stay productive. The perfect combo of work and wellness. Strategy number 3, dancing in South Beach. Miami Beach was not all about work for me. I made time for play too. No trip there is complete without checking out the sizzling dance scene. After my conference sessions, I hit up South Beach to tear up the dance floor. Bustin' moves to the pumpin' beats, I raised my heart rate and broke a sweat. Dancing is such an awesome calorie-blasting workout, and it was a fabulous way to let loose after a busy conference day. You can really pack fitness and fun into any business trip. Strategy number 4, in-flight fueling. Bali, here I come. On that long-haul flight to Bali, staying hydrated was crucial. Research shows that a person can lose between 1.5 to 2 liters of water on an average 10-hour flight. And my Bali trip involved a 14-hour followed by a 5-hour flight. This fluid loss happens because of the dry cabin air and lower pressure levels on the plane. So you have increased breathing and evaporation. No wonder dehydration is common on flights. So I skipped the cocktails and asked the flight attendant for club soda instead. And of course, I had water to sip on as well. That's why I always bring a water bottle along with my carry-on luggage. Then I can fill up at the water fountain in the terminal after passing through security. And here's another point. Dehydration can make jet lag symptoms worse, causing fatigue, more fatigue. So hydrating properly helped me arrive in Bali feeling refreshed. For my in-flight meal, I had two options. Number one, savory rice porridge, mushroom and vegetable salad, and fruit. Or number two, cheese and crackers, jambalaya meat with pasta, and fruit. I chose the first option, porridge, veggie salad, and fruit, and just passed on the bread roll and butter that came along with it, avoiding gluten and dairy because I find that I look leaner and feel more energetic when I do. Strategic hydration and nourishment meant I touched down ready to fully enjoy paradise. This traveler wasn't letting any plane ride get in the way of my goals. Strategy number 5, breakfast in Bali. At our Bali villa, we had epic breakfast spreads every morning overlooking the pool. We're talking pancakes, toast, all sorts of fruit, scrambled eggs, bacon, milk, coffee, and orange juice, the whole shebang. While others dove into the pancakes, I had to strategize. Remember, I usually avoid gluten and dairy when training for a competition. So, what did I pick? Scrambled eggs and a variety of tropical fruit to start my days right. The fruit gave me fiber and good carbs for energy to explore the island, and the eggs provided protein to balance the carbs. Protein helps slow the absorption of natural fruit sugars, preventing big spikes and crashes. Basically, it gave me longer lasting energy. Score. Now, I typically only eat egg whites to avoid the extra fat and cholesterol, but since I only had the choice of scrambled whole eggs or fried bacon strips for a protein source, I went with the eggs. Bacon tends to be a very processed meat and can have lots of sodium and chemical preservatives, so I avoided the processed meat, plus I got extra nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants from the yolks in my scrambled eggs. Strategy number 6, enjoying Balinese cuisine my way. Bali's food is drool-worthy, but I still found ways to enjoy it while sticking to my goals. For nasi goreng, which is Indonesian fried rice, I added extra veggies and protein. With the skewered chicken satay, I limited the peanut sauce. I had also packed non-perishable snacks for the trip, things that were easy to tuck into my pocket or my purse, like protein bars or turkey sticks. One note about the snack bars: be sure to avoid the ones that have ingredients that can melt, such as yogurt coating or dark chocolate chunks. That can end up a gooey mess on a warm day. But these portable snacks were great, just in case I couldn't find diet-friendly options while touring or even during my long flight. A little planning meant I always had a healthy choice on hand. And instead of indulging in cocktails, I treated myself to fresh coconut water, nature's electrolyte drink. Sipping straight from the coconut made me feel fully immersed in the tropical Bali experience. Coconut water is a fantastic option when you want something that's cool to drink on a hot day and you need to rehydrate. Plus, it's a great low-calorie alternative compared to the sugary sodas. However, the potassium levels in coconut water can be a concern for those with kidney issues. So if you have that medical concern, use caution with your coconut water intake. So with some simple swaps and tweaks, I savored the flavor of Bali while staying fit. There are so many ways to enjoy the incredible cuisine at your travel destination while sticking to your goals. Strategy number 7. Fitness as I explored. Bali offered so many opportunities to make fitness a part of sightseeing. I chose walking tours whenever possible to get in extra steps while taking in the island's beauty. When we visited the monkey jungle, I took the staircase routes to get an extra workout while admiring the playful animals. Whether hiking to gorgeous waterfalls or exploring beautiful temples, I seized every chance for activity with every excursion. This island was my playground to revel in the culture while squeezing in exercise too. No lounging around when I could fully engage with Bali's incredible sights and experiences. Strategy number 8, DIY villa workouts. With no gym nearby, I had to get creative at our villa. Using the step to the raised living area, I created step workouts that left me drenched in sweat. And I had packed a resistance band to tone every muscle with full body strength routines. No equipment? No problem. Where there's a will to stay fit on vacay, there's a way. And of course, there's always dancing. So, my secret for having the energy to experience it all? Nourishing meals and plenty of physical activity. By keeping my diet relatively healthy and regularly getting my heart rate up, I felt incredible, ready to maximize every magical moment in Bali and Miami Beach. No exhaustion or cravings throwing me off track. I proved vacation can be fun and fit. There you have it. 8 strategies that turned my travel to the tropics into a truly unforgettable fitcation. With a little planning, you really can stay active and eat healthy, even when you're living your best life on vacation. Remember, move your body, fuel it properly, and you'll have the energy for incredible adventures without sacrificing your goals. If this video provided some inspiration for your next healthy getaway, please give it a like, show me some love, and subscribe for more feel-good wellness content. I'm Dr. Venus, on call, signing off. Stay fit, be happy.